we had gotten a invite from Ford for a preview. We can't release the information, the news till today. It is essentially that Ford Pro sold 1,000 electric vehicles to a company called Ecolab that makes highly specialized cleaning devices, cleaning products for restaurants, and a lot of other applications. And they're both, they were talking a lot on the call about being 100-year-old companies doing business with each other and this long history. And, but the initial 1,000 vehicles are rolling out for their fleet are all in California. So I asked the obvious question that, that you and I would know, since it's a commercial deal. Now they're doing all F-150 Lightnings and Mach-E's. Now those are the only two Fords for personal use that they offer, but we do know that they make their electric vans too, but that wasn't brought up at all. But anyways, my question I posed to them is, what are their expected monthly carbon credits for this? And the CEO dodged the question skillfully. And he said that we're in it to, make the world a better place, and we're not concerned about the economics of the whole deal. Yet they're doing the whole thing in California. So I know they're getting like $12,000 a vehicle in subsidies for that. And I almost put into the question, I almost asked, if you don't want the carbon credits, can I have them, please? Because it would be somewhere between $200,000 and $500,000 per month that they're going to get just for California for carbon credits. Now, if you're in the fleet business, I highly recommend that you check, see what that impact is, because you could save, depending on the size of your vehicle and how much fuel you're taking out of the environment, you can qualify for up to $200 to $500 per month per vehicle in carbon credits. But you need to, be in a position that your commercial business is, switching from diesel or gas or whatever, to electric. And it was so funny. And I just like, man, I want to send this message and put this out there, but I didn't do it. I just like, can I have them, please?
You're gonna get me in trouble with Ford Motor Company.
Right. Yeah. Well, I promise we will use the money for good. Yeah, we'll use the money for other good things, and we'll put it into mycelium and how we can remediate oil spills. So kudos for Ecolab for making the big move, and for Ford for being part of that. But I just thought that was, pretty funny. I'm sure they'll take the carbon credits when they get around there. But that I just thought that was, or maybe he didn't know. I find it hard to believe that he didn't know, though.
Now, this is what, the head of Ecolab or the head of at Ford?
Ecolab. This was the head of Ecolab, the head of Ford Pro division, and they had him on there. And it was a good discussion, but it was interesting, to hear what was going on there. I am an informed journalist, and I asked informed questions that they weren't prepared to answer. Yep. So he's totally prepared to be a politician. Oh, and he could dodge my questions.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.